I keep getting it crooked.
It's got a balance thing on it.
Alright, I think I got it.
Alright.
Hey, Joe.
What's up?
Did you ever hear back from the flea market booth people?
No, I haven't. They were supposed to call Friday afternoon. They never did. If I don't hear back from lunch, I'll go ahead and give them a call.
Cool.
They've been there for That is 20 cameras shipping out today. I guess 20 cameras and GPS. So we're going to get this order shipped, and then I'll work on the other store. Alright, so I got all the items pulled for the other eBay store. It's a lot of phones. Look at all them phones. They sell. A lot of these we listed last week or in the last couple weeks, so that's what helps our sell-through rate out so much. But all these are pallet items. Well, except for that one there. That is part of a liquidation lot that we bought. We actually did an unboxing for it. But all this is pallet goods. So all this has a, this isn't pallet goods. This is a, you'll get to see us unbox this come sometime in March, April, May, somewhere around in then. We got some tablets here. All these tablets were part of an unboxing that we did recently. That salvage lot. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these shipped and continue on with the day.
Extenders! That's what they are! You need a shirt extender, not the belly thingy for pregnant women. A shirt extender! I need a shirt extender because I have a long torso and apparently girls got short torsos.
Uh-oh, I think it might be them. Hello? Yeah, this is he. Yeah? How was y'all's weekend? You had a pretty good weekend? You got a lot of traffic in there? That's good. No, we had a good weekend. We just went and saw some family and did that sort of thing. Yeah. I see. So did you have a chance to talk to your husband? Alright. What did he say? See. Alright. Well, I don't know. You know. Alright. I appreciate your time, ma'am. You have a good day. It was her. You know, you're not going to believe it. She talked to her husband and he said no.
Are you serious?
Heck yeah. I'm so mad right now. Like, I don't even understand. Like, it's stupid. Right? He's got all those empty booths he just opened up. Yeah. And he said no. Like, this is ridiculous, Jessica. Like, Whitney, I just want to, like, I need you to go down there.
I will whoop some freaking butt, dude. I will totally do it.
I know you would.
Let me go down there. Tell me where it's at, I'll go.
Can you just do it in your mind?
Okay.
Guess now we're just going to have to wait for that treasure of freaking heaven, whatever it's, touch of heaven, touch of treasures. Treasure heaven, treasure
heaven?
Touch of heaven.
Yeah. I'm so mad I can't even think of it.
Aww.
I'm so mad. Like, it's so frustrating. You know, you got plans, you're wanting to do these things, and then somebody else, like, I don't even understand, like, the sense in it. Like, the rent can't be cheap in that building. Like, he just moved in there, and he's got all of those empty booths. Like, there's probably only like 40% of the store is filled up. So he's got all those booths everywhere. You know, I don't get it, you know. She said that he doesn't want cheaper items in there. I'm like, you know, all of our items, they're not cheap. Like, they may be, you know, some lower cost items, like a couple of bucks, but like he's already got booths in there that have items for like $1, $2, $3. Like, that's where, you know, a lot of our price points would be. Plus, we would have furniture in there. Like, we offered to help with their Facebook stuff to get some marketing, because they have no clue what they're doing with that stuff. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, I just don't understand why you would turn down money when somebody's wanting to give you money to be to have a booth in the store. Like, I don't get it. I'm just so frustrated, so annoyed. I'm so
mad. Like, I'm angry. Like, what the flip, man? I mean, like, this dude has all this space and we have all this inventory that I personally boxed up the majority of it. And it's just sitting there in storage and we can't make money. Dude's missing out on some money, because let me tell you, the stuff we got would sell up in there. He needs to freaking get up off his high horse and let us sell some stuff through there. I mean, this is just like absolutely ridiculous.
I get it. It is a very frustrating situation. We were really hoping, I mean, it really would have been probably the perfect scenario. I mean, how close it was to our house. It was right in between our house and the storage unit. There was plenty of open spaces. I mean, it was just, the only thing standing on our way was permission, and we didn't get it. So yes, it is a little ridiculous. It's a little frustrating. I mean, how would you feel if you were in this situation? I think one of the things that really got me thinking, though, and has kept me from getting super angry at this situation, was I did connect a little bit with the man's wife, the owner's wife. And I know that he had been eyeballing that spot for like 10 years. And he's been wanting to have this flea market. And as a business owner and as somebody who's always had a vision for something greater, I realize that he may just be trying to protect his vision. There's a lot that goes into building a business. And he's wanted to do this for so long that he's afraid that the stuff that we are offering may devalue the rest of the spaces and the rest of the antiques that might be surrounding us. I don't believe that it will, but I think he's probably playing it on the safe side. Honestly, I feel like give him 6 months, maybe a year. If we don't have another flea market booth by then, he may be more likely to let our stuff go into those booths. So I mean, yeah, I see both sides of this coin. I'm upset for my own business because I know that this would have been perfect and so ideal, and I really so badly wanted this to work out. But also, as a business owner in general, I understand the need to protect your brand and to protect what you've worked so hard for and what you've longed for so long. And if you're not 100% sure that something's going to fit or something is not going to damage, or if you're not 100% sure that something isn't going to fit, then it's safer just to say no than to say yes. So, am I disappointed? Yeah. But do I also understand? Yeah, I do. How would you feel in this situation? Let me know in the comments below.